our web channel at WJHG.com.
Welcome back to News Channel 7 at noon, and free concerts coming up. In fact, they've already gotten started. They'll be coming up for the next couple of months here at Panama City Beach. Joining us this afternoon, Thunder Cialcas.
That's right.
Close enough.
Yeah.
And his wife, Sunshine.
Sunshine.
Thank you for coming by today. And you're some of the artists. You're actually promoting, organizing this, but this particular week you guys are going to be performing.
Yes, our band, Sunshine Thunder Band, will be performing first, and then we got Emerald County Line will be on after us, and it's kind of a country rockin' type of concert this time. Before we had the blues in Vegas, and we had Sammy and the Slammers and another band doing classic rock.
Now this goes on every Thursday night, right?
That's correct.
Okay, and it's at the I can't even remember the name of the shopping center.
It's the Beach Walk Plaza.
Beach Walk Plaza, where the Walmart originally was at Panama City Beach. And you guys, this is being put on in kind of that alcove area between where the Del Champs and the Walmart used to be.
Yeah, it's right on the corner of 98 and Thomas Drive and 98, right by the Hathaway Bridge.
Okay.
We got a flatbed trailer, a nice big flatbed trailer. And we rope off some of the parking lot, and we'll have a food vendor there. It's free, and the weather's going to be great, as Alex told us.
Yes.
And it's tell me some of the groups that are going to be appearing now. What's the schedule look like?
Well, the schedule.
You guys, of course, this Thursday.
Right. And then next week is kind of special. I'm doing something different. It's going to be a singles and duos night on a concert level. We got
Kevin Jacobs.
Yeah, we got Kevin Jacobs and Terry Brock, who are very well known in this area, are going to come out and donate their time for this thing. We got the two dudes. Myself and Sunshine will do probably a duo, and we got several other ones. A couple guys from Czechoslovakia that are really good.
Very good. Yeah.
So it's going to be a fun night. It'll be a little bit different. It's going to be concert level. And instead of having a full band playing, we're going to have different acts going. They'll play about 10, 15 minutes. We'll move to the next guy.
That's great.
So it'll be really interesting.
And it's for a lot of people who don't realize there's still plenty of business activity in that shopping center.
Yeah.
That's right.
And that was one reason we wanted this thing is really 2 to 3-fold. We want to draw people to this area. There's excellent specialty shops there. A lot of people don't even know. They need to come and check it out. And for my customers, Island Beach Music, and these guys that come in my store and patronize with me, it's just a great thing for them to have a place to come play also. So.
Yeah, and there's a brand new hair salon in there called Paris Hair Salon, so we want to get people to know about that.
All right. So every Thursday, and it starts at 7 o'clock, right at sundown. It'll be cool. This is April and May, right?
Yes.
So it's before we get into the steamy southern summer month.
Yeah, it just gets too hot. Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming by.
Thanks, Joe.
We'll see you there this coming Thursday night at 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Right at the Beach Walk Center.
Yeah.
Up here at the old Walmart.
Yeah.
In Panama City.
Bring your lawn chairs too.
Okay.
Bring
Bring
some
your lawn
chairs.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
It's going to be right there at 7127 West Highway 98.
All right.
So that'll give them an address. Yeah.
Set your GPS to that.
Old Wayne's World RV.
If you miss it, call me. I'll tell you where it is.
Thanks, Joe.
All right. Let's take a break. We'll be back with more for you in just a minute.